Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what I ended up doing with my air compressor. I ended up finding some alligator clamps that I took off of a small jump box and put those in line with the main harness. And from there I kept the relay and the pressure switch and wired those in so that the switch would just run the relay automatically when the tank built up pressure inside the compressor, so that way we're not over pressurizing the tank on the compressor or overworking the compressor. So once the pressure builds up to 100 psi, it actually disengages the relay. It actually turns the compressor off until you start inflating a tire or using the air that's in the compressor. And as soon as the air is gone, then it engages the switch again and then engages the relay. So I'll try to draw that out for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But basically I just split the power wire up into the relay and then out of the relay into the compressor, and then I ran the negative wire all the way back to the battery with the other half of the positive wire, and then I spliced in the switch on the positive side to the right to the battery, and then what I'm saying is the negative side to the relay, and then the other switch portion of the relay back in to the main negative cable. So it may seem a little bit of a mess, but I'll try to draw it out so you can see exactly what I did. But overall it works well. So to put that wiring on paper, this is kind of what I did. I have the battery, the positive side, negative side, had the relay, and let's see, I have the pump with the switch, the pump, and the relay. And what I did was I ran the negative right to the pump, and then the positive end off the battery right to the relay. And this is where the switching side of the relay is, and then down to the positive side of the pump. There's the negative side. And then to control the relay, I came off power right to the relay, and this is a little coil inside the relay, the little electromagnet that turns it on, and then came back out to the switch. I'll call that the positive side, and then from the switch I went down to the negative side. Here's the positive, here's the negative, and so there you go. So that's all there is to it. So basically how this works is when this switch has under 100 psi, it will be closed. So that will allow this relay to close and then turn on the compressor. So now it can go through, turn on the compressor, and then when this opens, because it has too much pressure in the pump, it will then turn off the relay and open the relay. So we won't have a ground here to activate that relay, and then that will allow the relay to open circuit and turn off the pump. That way you prevent your pump from being over pressurized and causing damage. So hopefully that helps show you what I ended up doing, and then then it's just simple. You just hook it up to the battery of any car. You can move it to whatever truck you want, and you don't have to go directly to your battery on a vehicle. You can just hook that clamp up here to the positive, and then you can either go to the negative or to the frame if you don't want to have both clamps on the battery for some reason. But it's a little safer that way, but really it's not that big of a deal to go right to the battery. if your battery's in good shape. So hopefully that helps you guys. It's time to go see what this compressor can do.